My name is Heïdi Sevestre. I'm a glaciologist and Deputy Secretary at AMAP, the Arctic Monitoring and Assessment Program. And we've met many times at different COPs, and you know I don't agree with the extreme parts of geoengineering that can have extremely negative consequences on ecosystems. And I would like to highlight, I don't know if you've had time to read it, we've actually just released the preprint of a paper with 40 different scientists, many of them are in the room today, entitled Safeguarding the Polar Regions from Dangerous Geoengineering. And I think it's time that the scientific community came together to highlight the potential danger of geoengineering. As you know, my question to you is, speaking of solar radiation management, could you tell us more about the implications that this could have on not only Arctic ecosystems, but if it spreads out to other places, what could be the consequences on the rest of the world besides potentially cooling temperatures? Thank you very much.
So I will answer that. The purpose of the research, right, is to address this very point, because I completely agree that the solar radiation management practices could be dangerous. But actually, they could also be not dangerous and actually a force for good for the planet when you do a risk-risk analysis. And in fact, at the moment, we don't have enough knowledge base to be able to steer one way or the other. We just don't. And therefore, what I'm keen to do is to be able to enable society to make a more balanced and informed view about the relative risks. And it is a relative risk sort of argument that we need to consider. And I don't have that knowledge base. I don't know anyone that does right now to be able to be very strong. And I have read the preprint, right? But I don't think that's the only sort of set of opinions or set of analyses, right? And in fact, I would say, after reading that preprint, I would say there's an even greater call for research because of the paucity of knowledge that we've got in this space.